Kung may $1,000 ako, every 0.01, ilan percent pa yung drawdown ko? Yung every $1,000, meron ako $100. Nag $100 talaga ako during that time. I'm still what? 10% drawdown. So kahit 40 million yung hinahawakan ko, kahit 100 million yung hinahawakan ko, 10 million pa lang yung drawdown ko, 4 million pa lang yung drawdown ko. Siyempre, lalagyan mo pa yan ng mga trail stop, ng mga sniper entries, no? Kahit balikan niyo yung historical setting, kung you're gonna be particular on this data, yung $500 nito at 0.05, 99 divided by 500, 20% drawdown max yan on your 500. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng data na yan, guys. 153 divided by, pag binalikan niya yung historical ha, 30% drawdown pa yan kung pinasok mo siya sa tamang lot size at tamang, if uulitin niya yung worst drawdown niya in the past. Imagine mo, grabe naka-filtered yung ginagawa ko sa mga accounts, $1,000 per 01. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-drawdown ako ng $250 sa $1,000, 25% drawdown pa ako.